Hello everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on videos on terrain and billboards will provide you with the necessary steps to create these videos in your project. The video on terrain video billboard commands play a video file either on the selected area of the terrain or on a floating billboard. Both these commands open the same property sheet and can be converted one to the other by changing the default properties. The primary difference between the two is the set distance from the projector at which the video should be displayed. To access this tool, on the ribbon menu, click on Objects tab. Then in the Video group, click on Video on Terrain or Video Billboard. To create a video on terrain video billboard, click on Video on Terrain or Video Billboard and the video property sheet is displayed. In the Video File field, type or browse to a video file whose format is supported, or type the URL if you want to OpenStream MMS content. If you want to link the object to an external file containing positioning information, in the Use Telemetry file, select Yes. If you don't know what a telemetry file is, it's a file that holds positioning information for the camera based on timestamps. This information is used to automatically determine the position of the video projector in the 3D window. This allows the projected video on the terrain to be draped over the same area that is captured in the video. If the Use Telemetry file is set to No, click the mouse in the 3D window to define the location of the projector. If Use Telemetry file is set to Yes, in the Telemetry file name field in the property sheet, enter the telemetry file name. After an object has been placed on the terrain, you can change its properties using the property sheet. To play, pause, and stop the video, do either of the following. In the project tree, right-click a Video on Terrain Video Billboard object and select the required option from the shortcut menu. Or, in the 3D window, right-click a Video on Terrain Video Billboard object and select the required option from the shortcut menu. We went over how to create videos on the terrain and video billboards. This concludes the tutorial on videos on terrain and billboards. For more information, refer to Chapter 13, Objects tab, and SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.